In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your video to Google Drive and then insert it into our copy of our presentation that we need, our Model Run Challenge. So now, what we need to do first of all is get it in a drive. If you've done it on your phone, you should be able to go on your video and then go to your share button. And if you've already downloaded the Google Drive app, you should be able to share it right to your drive. And it will upload. It does take a little bit of time, so if you ever do this and you see a little red icon, I might get it here in a little second that it says the right name and stuff, but it doesn't look like the video. It's processing, so or rendering. So the thing we're going to do first of all here is we're going to go into New from your Chromebook, and then we're going to go in Drive to File Upload. If you go to your File Upload, you will see what you have here. Yours may be on your desktop or in your downloads or in your videos. I'm not sure what you have in your Chromebook settings on the side, but in a video, all I do is I select this and then I hit Open. All right. What that's going to do is it's going to put it into my drive. You'll see it downloading over here on the side. All right. It may take a little while depending on how your service is, but that's what gets this started. You may have to be patient to do the next step, but here's the next step. Go into your copy of COVID-19 Model Run Challenge. Go to your final success slide. And what we're going to do is we're going to do an insert. And we're going to go to video. If your video's done, what you'll see is it looks like a video. If it's not done, it'll look at this little red icon right here, but bigger. So that means you just got to be patient. Cancel out of it. Come back in a little bit, and it might be ready for you there. Once we select it, it's going to say creating video. This isn't always super fast either, so be patient with that next step. When we do this, we can come in here and we can click and drag it around to reposition it. We can also click and drag the edges to resize it. So kind of get it where you want it to go, resize it so it's appropriate, so it fits on your piece. And then lastly, we can also do some editing options. So over here on the side it says Format Options. If you don't see this right away, you should be able to right click, and then in this right click there should be a place where you can, I guess, change things. Options, Format Options right there. Alright, so if that doesn't show up, that's where that exists. But you can start wherever you want it to start. So if your video is a little bit long, you can trim it on the front or the back side. You can autoplay in the presentation. You can mute the audio if you don't want the audio. I kind of like my kids going in the background, so I'm going to leave it on there. But it gives you some different things to have. But that's how we upload our video into a presentation. I hope this helps. Thanks for the ones that reached out and let me know there's some problems here. But hey, have a good day. Keep plugging away. Next thing we're getting ready to do is some paper airplane competitions. I'm a competitive person. I like to win, so I hope you can throw your paper airplane as far as I can. Have a great day, everybody.